Everyone, in this video I will tell you how to blur image in Canva. It is very easy. I have this image. Just double click on that image and you see here the option edit image, crop, flip. Just click the edit image and you see here there are different filters. Here is three option auto, and by drag it you can blur specific person. You can see that I blur this. You see that I blur this one. If liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check the resources link in the description below. See you in the next video.